Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Riyad. In this class, as I will tell you what is HTML. And first of all, I will tell you what is full form of HTML. HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. And you can use a HTML with JavaScript React Frame, but it is an advanced level languages, and you can use HTML and to in CSS, and you can use HTML CSS to build a blog website like portfolio, gym website, and many things. And in my tomorrow class, I will build a gym website using HTML and CSS. You can see that not you will not see that video, so please see it because it is very helpful for your coding. And I will tell you another thing. You can use a Sublime Text Editor in these classes because a Visual Code Studio is an advanced level editor, and it is used for React, React.js, JavaScript, and Java, C++. Okay, and you can use Sublime Text Editor. I saw you have Atom, you can use it, but it is a, a pro. And the Sublime Text Editor is the advanced, so I will tell you please use a advanced Sublime Text Editor, and you can work it on Sublime Text Editor in easily. And so I will tell you in what is HTML. You can build many things to HTML than CSS, and you can build on HTML. You can build in HTML. You can build like blog website and like hover effect and pop-up time picker. Many things you can build in only HTML. And I showed in the YouTube community the people not build in HTML like portfolio, but I will build it. And so okay, so please like my video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And my only two parts is covered it up, and now I will cover the 18 parts of HTML, and I will not upload the tutorial of big tutorial like 10 hours. Not I will upload it. That videos only 6 min, 3 min, 5 min, 10 min, 11 min, just it. And and I will tell you how to use a HTML in JavaScript also. And I will please like my video, share friends, subscribe to my channel, because I will tell you in a video part. So for today, so I will meet you in my next class of third class. Third class is HTML, syntax, text, and text. I will tell you in my third class. So I will please give me, and so I will go. So for today, good. Bye.